The platypus is a truly mesmerizing creature native to Australia. What makes it utterly fascinating is its peculiar combination of features. This semi-aquatic mammal has a bill resembling that of a duck, lays eggs, and sports webbed feet, making it a true biological enigma. But that's not all. Male platypuses are equipped with venomous spurs on their hind legs, which they use for defense during territorial disputes. Despite its egg-laying abilities, it nurses its young with milk produced through mammary glands. The platypus embodies the marvels of evolution, showcasing that nature's creativity knows no bounds. It's an animal like no other, a true testament to the diversity of life on our planet.